Today, we're going to connect two truths the most people haven't put together yet. AI isn't replacing everyday workers, it's becoming a partner in the place where workers are disappearing. Yes, retirement, boomers, and Gen X, and all those people aging out. The US is massively overbuilding AI data centers for LLMs. That's the real world doesn't actually need. Put those together and you get the real reason tech layoffs are exploding. AI is replacing the tech stack, not the workforce. Let's break it down. Across Japan and China, South Korea, Germany, and even parts of North America, the workforce is shrinking. Aging population, fewer young workers, collapsing birth rates, rising demand for manufacturing. Factories aren't automating because they want to eliminate jobs. They're automating because they don't have enough people left to fill them. This is the part nobody's talking about. AI is becoming the heavy lifting partner. In modern industry, AI isn't taking over the jobs, it's taking over the hard parts: lifting, sorting, welding, inspecting, scheduling, predictive maintenance. Robots do the muscle work, AI does the planning, humans do the supervising and the decision making. This is a new industrial triangle: human plus AI plus robot. Not no humans, just fewer humans doing smarter work. Japan and China, Europe labs are developing brain-computer interfaces that let workers guide robots with intent instead of physical movement. This tech is still prototype testing, but in progress is real. Robotic arms controlled by neural signals, exoskeleton responding to intention, disabled worker operation machinery through thought, multi-robot control thought neural interfaces. This isn't science fiction, it's early industrial research happening right now. Here's the part that ties everything together and explains the tech layoffs. US is building hyperscale data centers, GPU farms, massive cloud AI facilities, all based on the assumption that LLMs will run everything. But the real world doesn't work like Silicon Valley. Most industries don't need giant LLMs. Factories use small AI. Logistic users use edge AI. Agriculture uses sensory AI. Medical uses diagnostic models. Robotics uses fast local AI. Warehouses use vision systems. Construction uses automated tools. These run on tiny chips, embedded processors, local servers, industrial controllers. They don't need $100 billion parameter models, megawatts of data centers, water cooling GPU farms. LLMs are great for office tasks, but the physical world runs on small AI, not giant cloud brains. This is why tech layoffs are exploding. AI is replacing the need for cloud apps, cloud services, cloud platforms, cloud engineer teams. The tech stack is collapsing, not the workforce. Why this AI bubble? A bubble happens when investment exceeds demand, hype exceeds utility, infrastructure exceeds adoption. It also has a lot to do with doing things on margin, buying with money you don't have. borrowed money. Imagine investing the amount of money that your house cost you into the stock market, borrowed, and then your stock collapses. You still have to pay that money back. You haven't made anything. You still have to pay it back. You have nothing to show for it. Anyway, infrastructure exceeds adoption. Right now, data centers are growing faster than AI usage. GPU supply is outpacing real-world need. Energy and water costs are skyrocketing. Most industries don't want cloud AI. LLMs adoption is flatlining outside the tech. US is building a future that won't be needing much cloud AI. Japan and China aren't making this mistake. They are investing in robotics, automation, edge AI, not giant LLM farms. The future factory isn't empty, it's collaborative. Humans supervise AI's plan, robots execute, sensors monitor, neural interfaces guide, automation handles the grunt work. It's not AI versus workers, it's AI plus workers versus the labor shortage. AI isn't replacing everyday workers, AI is replacing cloud apps, office software, search engines, collaborative tools, grammar engines, coding platforms, customer support systems. And because of AI is replacing the jobs tied to those products, meanwhile, the US is building too many data centers for LLM. That's the real world doesn't need. That's why tech layoffs are exploding. AI isn't killing jobs. The collapse of the tech stack is. If you found this breakdown useful, hit the like, drop a comment, and share your thoughts. The future isn't human beings humans being replaced, it's humans being augmented while the old tech stack gets swept away. More on this in the next ramble. Like, follow, and subscribe. We'll see you again.